Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how much protein on a high sugar diet. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you what I ate this day and then I'm going to give you the macro breakdown at the end of the video. And as normal, I started off with a fasted workout around 11 a.m. And today was a full body strength training workout. It was a few different moves. You can check out my last video and I talk about the workout I did this day. And then I broke my fast at 1:30 p.m., made a super delicious smoothie. Now this smoothie, I used 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I used a packet of acai. I had 2 ripe bananas that were just fresh that I threw in there. And then I had 5 frozen bananas that I had put in the freezer and I thawed them in hot water for about 4 minutes or so they just peel right out into the smoothie. And I also had 1 cup of coconut water. Blended that up in the Vitamix. And there it is. It made about 1.5 liters or so. So I love starting off the day for my first meal with a smoothie or some fruit. And again, this was at 1:30 p.m. My next meal was at 3:30 and I made a bowl of oatmeal and it just had 2 bananas with some maple syrup in it. Super simple but delicious. And then I had a salad at 6:30 p.m. Greens, cucumber, apple, 2 dates, avocado, and carrots. Got to get in those greens. Then I finished it at 7:30 p.m. with a huge bowl of curry tofu over white rice. And that had super delicious. It had carrots and some veggies in it. And I had a few slices of homemade sourdough bread to top it off. And that was it for the day. It was about 3,200 calories, 575 grams of net carbs, 65 grams of fiber, 53 grams of fat, and 70 grams of protein. So make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. It has some delicious recipes I make on a regular basis. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.